Anybody's race. 4 cars are settling for 2 transfer spots. Hollister hits the double beautifully. Kennedy a little bit better.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. All right, we got the bump up. We're gonna go to the e-buggy D main now. We just got second in the E main. And we're gonna go out there with the e-buggy and try and win again. Get in the top 4. As long as we stay in the top 4, we get a bump up to the next heat and the next heat. And if you get into the C main, top 6 get a bump to the B. Anyway, we're gonna do our best. I blew a bead on my tire on the E-main, so I'm just gluing them now. Put in a fresh new Gen Ace Redline battery, get my motor cooled down. We're gonna go out there for this D-main race, 10-minute e-buggy D-main. You got the bump, obviously.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Right now, guys, don't hesitate.
Yeah, finish second.
Don't get me going.
All right, take a left, guys.
Turning good. Wheel steward. Entry on Elka 0. All one wheel. Netcruzer. John Hollister. Baltic. Lorenzo Casa.
All right. Last call, Daryl Denny. Last call, Daryl Denny. Haven't seen him yet today, so I don't know who's here.
This is B going to the C. Yep.
Thank you, Chris. So no Daryl. All right. That's it, guys. Corner marshals ready. Drivers ready. This is your D-main of 1/8 electric buggy. Going racing on a solid tone in less than 5. Keep it clean, guys. That was hairy, but we worked it out. All right, off and running. D-main 1/8 electric buggy. And man, I'm telling you what, we're ripping right through this program. Almost all the way to the C mains already, and it's 2:30, so I appreciate you guys being on the point. We're going to be here for a lot longer though, so
Go ahead, Carl, if you want.
Caution sweeper, caution sweeper. Thank you for waiting, Paul. Good job, guys, good job. That was maybe a little payback.
I'll let you know, just don't take me out.
Okay.
I'll let you know, just don't take me out.
Okay.
You're faster than me, though. You're faster than me.
All right, balls are up front. All right, balls are up front. Hollister running second. Reimer, oh my goodness. I love my buddy Doug Reimer, but at some point you might need to do it against him. Just so he stops pumping up. My gosh. He's running second right now, just got around Hollister. Gonna try and do the same here on Carl. He is just flying right now, trying to move himself into the C main of electric buggy. Remember guys, we're taking top 4 from this race, and then from the C's, we're going to take top 6 from all CNAs. Oh, Vanderbilt taking the pit lane. That's cool. 2 down, 8 to go. First 2 minutes in the books. It is going to be Reimer. Oh, no, Carl taking it back. So it's going to be Carl, Reimer, Hollister breaking away. And it's going to be Neil Stewart in the 4. Kennedy in the 5. Lorenzo, Tim and Jim. Adriano, Paul, and Daryl is not in this one. Two down, 7:30 to go, 1/4 of the way through it. Still the Reimer and balls herself. Wow, Carl going huge overhead double. And they say that Brian Martin saw S-Works flying at him. That was a little bit scary. Did he have any autographs on the bottom of the chassis? 3 down, 7 to go. Reimer, Balzer, Hollister, my top 3 all breaking away. Reimer and then orange and white Mugen, followed by the blue and red S-Works of Balzer, followed by that pink and purple and white X-ray of Hollister. And it's going to be Mr. Kennedy in that red and white Tekno Followed by another Tekno of Mr. Neil Stewart, Losi of Jam and Jim, Tekno of Lorenzo, Losi of Adriano, and Tekno of Vanderwheel. Watch the double, guys. Watch the double landing. It is clear. Nice job, Ryan. That was a heads-up marking. That's going to give Hollister a second spot, though. So John was pretty quick in qualifying. Just a couple bad breaks when his way did not go his way. Finds himself in the D-main. Probably shouldn't be there. And he's going in second right now. Behind a super fast Doug Reimer, who's just setting off and lead for these guys. 4 down, 6 to go. There's nothing right now that's showing that Doug Reimer can't make game aims with the way he's showing his speed in both Truggy and Buggy. He is just ripping it up in that orange and white Mugen, running for Summit Racing, T-Works, and VP Pro.
Good finish, Carl.
Reimer down the ski jump, working his way to the big kicker. Nice and low over that one. That car is getting better and better with use. Gonna have to clock Doug Reimer's track time at the end of the day. It's probably gonna be up over 2 hours with the way it's going here. Hollister still in the 2 spot. Balzer third. Stewart, Kennedy, Pacerno, Costa, Jim, and Vanderwheel. My running order.
Five minutes left.
Halfway, 5 down, 5 to go. Still got that Reimer, Balzer, Hollister top 3. So John giving second back to Carl here. Still got Neil Stewart in the 4th spot trying to run down John, but to give himself a little bit of insurance. Meanwhile, Kennedy, along with Pacerno, Costa, and Jim pursuing those guys. Adriano was down in the dumps on the start, and he is still in this thing. Adriano right there in that 7th spot. Now 6, he just got a spot on Lorenzo. And he's not that far behind Kennedy and Stewart. Bolson, RC, doing exactly that. Oh, Balzer up down to the double, and Hollister follows him in there. Vanderwheel gets the worst end of that deal. And it is clear. Paul, you are a lap down to the guys you're running around. Thank you, sir.
4 minutes left.
Final 4 minutes, guys. Reimer carving it up right now. 14 seconds out front of Carl. Hollister, Stewart, Kennedy, and Pacerno. My top 6. Adriano going to try and hang with those 2 Teknos out front of Stewart and Kennedy. Adriano that Losi, that green, white, and yellow. Pacerno working his way down the ski jump, up and over the back straight kicker. Keeps it nice and low over that. Watch the ski jump exit, clear. Lorenzo going to lose that spot to Lorenzo now. Oh, sorry, to Jan and Jim now. Yeah, Lorenzo losing a spot to Lorenzo. That makes a lot of sense, Derek. It's been a long day already. Coming up on the final 3 minutes, guys. Hollister, a little mistake. Here comes Stewart up the inside. Reimer has the absolute slugfest going on around him.
Sorry, buddy.
Also gives way for earlier. Thank you. I'm sure Neil will do the same once he gets close enough over the big double. Balzer making a big mistake, and we got a huge battle. Reimer in the middle, but he just wants out. He says, "Get out of my hair." Oh man. We got Neil Stewart moving up to that 2nd spot. Carl 3rd. Hollister 4th. Oh, Kennedy making a mistake over Daytona, but he's able to save it. Pacerno still right there as well. In that 6th position, making a little mistake through the inhills. He's going to lose the rear wing there of that battle for 2nd through 5th. Excellent racing in these lower mains, man. I'll tell you what, every race today has been a good one. Reimer is clear of that former traffic, followed by Balzer in 2nd. Stewart up to 3rd, Hollister 4th, but he's being pursued heavily by John Kennedy. Oh man, oh, the big table go. Neil a little short, John lands it perfect, and Neil's going to give away the final transfer. That's going to move John Kennedy into the 4th spot. Hollister, Kennedy, and Stewart. Here comes Pacerno, one more charge. 3rd down the line, 4th down the line. And there's 5 and 6 right there in tow. There's still anybody's race. 4 cars to settle for 2 transfer spots. Hollister hits the double beautifully. Kennedy a little bit better. Stewart equally as well. Pacerno getting a little wild in the air. 1:30 to go. We've still got Reimer, Balzer, Hollister, Kennedy, Stewart, Pacerno. We top 6. 1:15 remaining drivers. Reimer all by himself. He is again left the field. He's done that how many mains in a row now? Again, just playing A-main pace all day long. Hollister pretty clear in that 3rd spot. Just needs to keep on all 4. It's final minute. 9 down, 1 to go.
1 minute left.
Hollister coming across in that white and purple. Here comes Kennedy, red and white. Green and pink is Stewart. And the yellow and green is Pacerno. Adriano giving one more run here. Trying to get around Stewart. Oh, he tries to hit the inside. Didn't have enough room. Sending it over the double when he rolls it over. That might be the final nail in the coffin. Who knows? Hollister still right there with Kennedy. Those guys are going to try and work together. And Stewart's got to play catch up. They're going to probably get one more time. Stewart, you're going to have to hurry if you want the extra lap. Got to put it up. Burning landslide if you want it. 20 seconds to go. Reimer, gone, checked out, see you later. 15 seconds to go, he's on his white flag lap, along with Carl and Lorenzo. Hollister's gonna go one more time. Kennedy gonna go one more time. Stewart pushing for everything he's worth. 5 seconds, he's gotta hurry. Kept these corners tight, across the line.
Heck yeah, we did it.
He made it. Hollister, Kennedy, and Stewart for the final transfers. 2 will make it. Hollister the kicker. No problems for John. Here comes Kennedy. Here comes Stewart going full send. Down the final quarters. It's going to be Hollister for 3rd. And Kennedy's going to hold him off for the final transfers.
We did it.
So it's going to be John, Balzer, Hollister, Kennedy.
Yeah, man, we did it.
Electric buggy. Hard fought 5th.
Right on. Thanks.
Adriano, Jim, Lorenzo, Paul, and Daryl.
The race is completed.
Oh man, they got a race.
I know, I got to race again. Alright, we did it. We got 4th. Got the bump up to the C. Got the bump up to the C, man. Got to grab my car. Alright. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. I gotta go Marshall, and then I got a bit of a break, and then I put a battery in. Yeah, I get 10 minutes when I get back after this, and then we're good.